Okay, kids, we are ready to sketch. So, I like to do this without graph paper. Going back over all the work that I have, I notice that I have vertical asymptotes. One here, and equally spaced around here. So it's going to be vertical asymptote at x equals -1, vertical asymptote at x equals 1. I know that my curve is doing something like this, something like this, something like this, and something like this. I know that there's a horizontal asymptote here in both directions. And I believe I determined that it was from above over here and from below over here. Okay, wait a second. Missed something. My intercepts. Didn't even do that. Didn't even do my domain. Oh no, intercepts. Boom. Chaka-laka-laka. Symmetry. Ah, neat. I could choose just to graph this side and then rotate it about the origin. I'm not going to, but I could. And if I was a computer programmer, that would make a lot of sense. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Intervals of increase or decrease. Well, what's really important here is I'd like to find any local max or mins. There aren't any. Any points of inflection. There is one. That's my point of inflection. And it's supposed to go from concave up to concave down. And now I just have to sketch it. I have to put it all together. Now I'm going to grab a pencil because they flow a little bit nicer if I have one, and I don't. So I'm just going to go for it. I think this curve looks something like this. I'm going to check my intervals of increase or decrease. And I'm going to notice that it is decreasing from left to right, from -infinity to -1. I'm checking my chart, and I'm right. Now this seems to come down, and then down. Okay? I would suggest doing these little arrows in pencil so you can erase them. And decreasing everywhere from there. And I'm concave up from -1 to 0, and I'm concave down from 0 to -1. And finally, I'm seeing a curve that looks like this, which again is decreasing everywhere, and it's concave up from -1 or from +1 to infinity. Yay! Everybody dance now. All right, there you go. I'll do another one in a little bit.